Hello, students. Welcome to the first session of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about formal and informal language in English. You can find this topic in Module 1, which consists of two learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to master the analysis skill on the difference between formal and informal English. You are encouraged to study the materials and enrichment links provided below. One more thing, you are required to participate actively in discussion forum 1. I wish you good luck.